Hey everyone, how's it going? Josh Shepard here, Principal Threat Hunter at RADICL. And on this special edition of the Threat Hunter's Corner, we're going to look into a fun phishing campaign we found during a recent threat hunt that leverages an AI powered app builder to help bypass automated O365 phishing filtering. So as you can see, in terms of how the phishing campaign is put together, it comes in as a normal email that has the classic, hey, you have a voicemail, click this link. When the user clicks the link, they eventually get moved to an O365 cred stealer page. But how they get there is what's interesting. So as we can see here, the link in question, in this case, it was wrapped by a Barracuda safe link protection. You click that link and it takes you to this math-gatekeeper-safeguard.lovable.app. As you can see, it looks like some type of math-based captcha. Now, for those that haven't seen lovable.app before as a domain, this is actually a legitimate domain and it belongs to a Lovable app. This is a full natural language AI augmented app development tool. So, therefore, a threat actor could just natural language say, hey, give me a number based captcha system. And boom, it deploys and develops that particular app. So, super cool piece where a threat actor is leveraging some AI augmented tooling in order to develop aspects of their kill chain, in this case, to be able to better bypass the spam and phishing filtering in a particular email provider. So now let's go through the kill chain, right? So we see the verify. We're going to go ahead and enter in the value there, 9. And again, just to better bypass that spam filter, you pass that first lovable.app captcha. Now we kind of go to our sketchy Russian domain name here. You'll see verify human. This is a legitimate Cloudflare captcha. You verify that, and now we go through the simulated, Outlook opening, and we get our voicemail. So now let's say, hey, I want to play my voicemail. And we see the navigation to the fake Microsoft login page. Again, still the very sketchy Russian URL. So let's go ahead and enter it in and see what's going to happen. Testedexample.com. We're going to go ahead and throw in a 123 password. Again, all this is very much in line with the normal Microsoft login experience, up to and including the stay signed in. We click yes, and now you can see the redirection to the legitimate MicrosoftOnline.com, the login piece, but you have an error because the request field is missing from credential. So just kind of a poorly structured forwarding of the credential piece. So again, right, it's pretty convincing in terms of that flow from the Lovable app to the Cloudflare captcha to the voicemail to the fake sign-in page, all very realistic. Now, the other interesting thing about this particular campaign is they make use of breakpoints or debugger breakpoints in the actual website. So what I mean by that, let's go ahead and pass our captcha here. We're going to go ahead and verify this. And now let's say as a threat analyst, right, we're like, all right, what is going to happen to these creds when I try to sign in? So let's go ahead and try to open up a developer tab to view the network. And you see, boom, we hit our debugger breakpoint. So this is something you could put into a website that helps with debugging from a normal kind of website dev perspective. Threat actors use it, though, to pick up when people may be doing this, right? To see network connections, to see where data is being posted. And if we try to skip that breakpoint, there's basically code to then redirect the user to a benign site such as eBay. So again, additional defense evasion outside of your automated spam filter bypass using Lovable.app, using Cloudflare captcha. They also use debugger breakpoints in the actual website to inhibit analysis using Chrome developer tools or just general browser developer tools. So definitely a cool little phishing campaign, uses a bunch of different tactics. Really just goes to show that anytime there's a cool new capability that makes normal workflows faster, easier, better, threat actors are likely to co-opt those in their own particular kill chains, as we see here with Lovable. That's what we've got for this edition of the Threat Hunter's Corner. As always, if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, we'll see y'all during the next episode.